what's really going on. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently XLM price action, waiting for continued technical support and buy pressure off of key level here, 34 cents, acting as potential support for price action. We're experiencing continued bullish interactions with it so far. In my opinion, we're waiting for daily candles to continue to open and close above it to solidify it as support. 40 cents is still significant technical resistance overhead. We need daily candles to open and close above that to confirm that as a key level of support and a bullish area of accumulation. However, at the moment, that is very significant resistance in my opinion. So right now we are looking to further solidify support near this key range, near current levels. Right now, fighting the 200 daily moving average, we will anticipate rejections off of it in the immediate short term here as we solidify support near current levels. Once we are above it and confirming it as support, we can be more comfortably bullish on the longer term uptrend, which I do believe is in the process of forming here. We are very much in a perhaps longer phase of sideways and accumulation if you were to refer to prices back near sort of like the end of July and August here. We've been in this range of sideways, interacting with significant resistance at 40 cents and significant support near 26 cents. In my opinion, that is going to still be the most bullish area of support for XLM, and I can still be bullish on a 26 cent XLM in my opinion, because that would be just another bullish area of accumulation here. I mean, if you were to zoom out a tiny bit back to prices near May, where we fell into this range, we can see prices have been interacting with it kind of quite nicely here. These key levels have been present since long before we fell into this range of support and sideways if we were to consider this consolidation here. And so I do believe as an investor, if you were investing in XLM, this is still a bullish phase to be accumulating with anticipated gains in the next months to years from now, as investors would have a longer term perspective. However, as a trader, you were still able to make some very significant gains on XLM over the past few months here. In my opinion, we've been updating XLM for several months, and so I mean, since this 26 cents as support and two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish on price action, we've seen up to 56% in gains when we went to the 40-cent resistance. 21 days later on August 16th, you were able to capitalize on 56% ROI at resistance there. You were able to see up to 66% in gains with EngineeringRobo's buy signals if you didn't sell at my resistance, and you were able to capitalize on 29% ROI when we were rejected off of my resistance and EngineeringRobo became bearish on XLM, suggesting you capitalize on gains near 33 cents there. So we were still able to capitalize on gains trading XLM, and as you can see, after those sell signals came into play, we experienced up to 23% in downside all the way to the most bullish area of support, where you were able to accumulate XLM again near 26 cents. And if you chose to, you were able to take profit and sell at 40 cents, again allowing you to capitalize on another 56% return on your investment using my support and resistance levels here. And since two of our chosen three robo advisors becoming bullish on price action, we have this bullish area of accumulation suggested near 31 cents here. Since those buy signals, we have experienced up to 37% in gains with technically only one of our chosen three robo advisors bearish on price action. So we need to perhaps confirm more bullish area to appear. And I mean, right now we are only under the influence of one, so we are still bullish. But I mean, if we were to experience perhaps 23% in downside, that would bring us strategically all the way back to the most bullish area of accumulation near 26 cents. So in my opinion, right now we are just in a much larger phase of sideways here. I do believe there is gains to be made on XLM still. We are just waiting for the final confirmations of support here. So let me know down below where you think XLM will go. What are your thoughts on price action at current levels? Are you accumulating through the sideways? Are you trading the highs and lows, or are you diamond hands through the whole thing? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section now. Mithril against Tether, price action experiencing some tremendous upside here, plowing to and through key levels. EngineeringRobo suggesting a bullish area of accumulation near 5 cents. Two of our chosen three robo advisors bullish on price action throughout the end of October here. And then after accumulation over the following 31 days, we experienced up to 250% in gains. An easy well over triple your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals on Mithril here. And so technically we are still supported by buy signals, so we are still bullish on continued upside. However, after such tremendous upside in such a short amount of time, we can very much anticipate a pullback, retracement, or sideways. A phase of accumulation may be necessary here before the uptrend can continue. So watch out for potential interaction with technical key level waiting to be confirmed as support. 14 cents is going to be waiting for us in this move sort of downward here. We have resistance waiting for us overhead as well over at 19 cents. That is going to be the key level we need to break to continue the gains here. Failure to hold 14 cents may send price action all the way back down to 7 cents in my opinion. That is going to be the next key area of technical support that we are waiting for if we were to fail 14 cents just down below here. So tremendous gains and upside in a very short amount of time is typically followed by these pullbacks here. And EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher bullish areas of accumulation and successful areas of take profit. And so it is key to pick 3 of the many different robo advisors available, and once 2 of your chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, you can use that to confirm areas of accumulation and levels of take profit. And so at the moment we are under the influence of bullish buy signals. This moon signal is waiting to return with today's daily candle close. If this moon signal remains with today's daily candle, then we can be even more bullish on continued upside with all 3 of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action. So let me know what you're doing with Mithril down below in the comment section. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next video. Now, SIA coin against Tether, price action making its way upward here, currently under the influence of buy signals. Prices above this 200 daily moving average suggest an uptrend is forming. We're just waiting for final areas of support to be confirmed in my opinion here. We're waiting for continued interaction with potentially the 1 cent level. 0.019 is going to be the technical kind of key level here. We need daily candles to continue to open and close above to confirm as support as we make our way up to the most significant area of resistance waiting for price action in the 2 cent range. 0.024 in my opinion is going to be the strongest area of technical resistance waiting for us overhead. Once we've broken it and confirmed it as support, we can use it as a bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside as long as we're supported by buy signals, which we have been under the influence of ever since the kind of first week of October here. The buy 4 and moon suggesting a bullish area of accumulation, and since then we technically have seen up to 25% in gains, still currently awaiting continued upside with all 3 of our chosen robo advisors still bullish on price action. So we're waiting for this interaction with resistance overhead. Price action has been bullish ever since support found in the most bullish area of support. 0.014 in my opinion is going to be the strongest area of technical support waiting for us if we were to experience any sort of abrupt change in momentum or move downward here. This previous combination of buy signals back throughout the end of July, 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation, and we experienced up to 105% in gains, easily doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals, and you were able to still capitalize on 35% ROI when 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bearish on price action. And when those sell signals came into play, we did actually experience up to 26% in downside over the following weeks before becoming bullish again. And so at the moment we are, I do believe, at the end of this phase of sideways here and accumulation with anticipation of a break upward. So let me know down below where you think price action will go. I'm always waiting for these technical key confirmations here. My immediate short-term target is still going to be 0.024 for us. Once we've confirmed it as support, we can continue these gains. Now, Ethereum price action experiencing tremendous buy pressure and support. Prices coming ever so close to the most bullish area of technical support, $3,930 per Ethereum. Prices reaching lows near $3,956 per Ethereum, where we immediately were bought right back up, and we've experienced tremendous buy pressure currently interacting above $4,000 near the $4,420 level. So price action still very bullish in my opinion. As we can see, the demand for Ethereum at current levels is very much high, and we are very much finding very bullish support off of these key levels that we were just interacting with. So this is a very bullish phase of sideways and accumulation, perhaps the last phase of sideways and accumulation that we need to conclude here before we are able to experience some very euphoric gains and upside. Let me know what you're doing with Ethereum down below now. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency price action back above this key level here, 58,800, now awaiting to be confirmed as support yet again. As we can see, the buy pressure is very much in play. The demand for Bitcoin is very high at current levels. We need daily candles opening and closing above $58,800 to reconfirm it as support as we await a break of potential resistance overhead. $60,800 per Bitcoin is a potential sell pressure waiting for us. So we're still in this phase of sideways, further solidifying very bullish areas of support. This is some very bullish times to be buying Bitcoin, as I do still suspect the six-figure range to present itself here in the very early next year. So I believe this perhaps might be the last sideways that we will experience before these very euphoric gains. Price action in the longer term, if we zoom out, has been very bullish ever since support found near the $30,000 level at the end of July. And since $30,000, we've experienced 130% in upside between the 21st of July and the 10th of November, and we're currently still sitting on 99% in gains at current levels on the 20th of November here. So Bitcoin is still up double in value in just a few months, so I do believe we are still very much bullish on the continuation of the uptrend. And a pullback from the all-time high we have experienced up to 19% in downside, currently sitting on 13% in downside. I do believe for any other market that might be quite jarring or unexpected, but for crypto this is kind of just just another day. From that rejection off of $52,000 per Bitcoin, we experienced up to 24% in downside, and then we're able to set all-time highs kind of just a month later. So Bitcoin very much experiences moves like this. Previous rejections off of the 60K level, if we consider back the first week of May here, price action came from $58,800, fell all the way down to $30,000 per Bitcoin, an easy 48% in downside in a very short amount of time, just a couple weeks here, diminishing 50% in value. But here we are, a good few months later, back above 60K, setting all-time highs again. So this is very much normal moves for Bitcoin, in my opinion. Let me know where you think price action will go down below. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below, and tune in for the next one.